This video is going to cover how to add photos to current services and projects pages. So first and foremost, what you're going to always want to do on your website is go to the URL, and it's the rcffoundation.org, and then /wp-admin. That's the URL. Once you see that, you'll see a screen like this. This is the back admin to log in. You'll log in. And this is the dashboard of the WordPress. For today's tutorial, I always like to have a secondary tab open. That is the actual site and the live environment. And you'll notice now that you're logged in, this is your all of your hotkeys to go ahead and edit the page and or do things with WordPress. So I like to visually get on the page that we're going to be editing. And today's already pre-existent pages as far as Red Wagon Days and or Urban Restoration. So today we're just going to go to Red Wagon. Now that we're on the page, I'm going to go ahead and click Edit Page. And right now there are no photos that exist, but I'm going to show you how easily they can be created. So this is the back admin of the Red Wagon Days, and you'll notice that these are called cell elements, and these cell elements actually reflect what's going on here. So you'll notice your text here and your buttons here. Now these are already built for you, but if you'd like to add another row for some imagery, I'm going to go ahead and click plus. I'm going to hit row, find row, and you'll notice now it puts a row here. And now this row is able to have added cell elements, whether it's content, imagery, and what I'm going to do is hit the plus sign. And I'm going to be looking, this is a really neat tool to use. Just go ahead and click what you're looking for, and you'll notice these are all your options. In this case, it's probably going to be a gallery because you're going to have a lot. We're going to click image gallery, close out of this. And now the image gallery is here, but you'll notice every cell element, once that element has been added, there's a little pencil, a copy box, and a trash box, and or move. In this case, we're going to always hit the pencil to edit what's going to go inside of that box. And you'll notice most of all this is calibrated already for you. If you ever want to change some of the variables, you can. But more importantly, this is where you're going to add and or remove imagery. So you'll hit the plus sign. These are images that are already stored on the website that we've used in the past. If they're new pictures that we haven't used, you'll hit upload and select, and then find where the images are, and then they'll load. Once that's done, you can then change the size of the images here by putting in the exact size so they're all the same, or you can go ahead and just leave it as thumbnail or type in full. The cool thing is as you scroll, most of this all gives you explanation of what this are. So either way, I'm going to go ahead and save this now so that when you go to add the photos to these pages, this element is already here. So I'm going to go ahead and this is the most important thing about working in WordPress. No matter what, once you're done, you always have to hit update, and then you can go back to the other page to see it, refresh it, and now we might not see anything because there's actually, you'll see that it's ready to be added. Here is where the images will go once you're ready. And what I'm also going to do is you'll notice that there's a little bit of needs a little bit of space here. So what I'm going to do is actually go here because I want to add something to the cell element. Hit space, and I'm going to put an empty space here. And you won't probably have to worry about this, but just to show you the ease behind it, I'm going to put that update, and now you'll notice there's going to be a little bit of space underneath the imagery here. So anyways, that's how you add photos to highlight results on these pages. Hope this is helpful.